Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're tired of a hose box that goes everywhere and a hose reel that looks like a mess, you need to check out this awesome reel box from DRINCOSH. This box is nice and sturdy and it fully mounts to your house so that you can easily have your watering ready anytime. The box itself is made with a nice metal bracket that holds onto your house very securely, and the box itself is a really sturdy plastic. Inside of the box, it holds over 100 feet of hose reel that retracts and comes out gracefully every time. You do want to keep in mind that as you're retracting, you want to hold it at an angle, and then it easily glides back and forth so that the hose goes in very evenly and there's no tangling. The nozzle itself comes with 9 settings so that you can easily water your backyard. We all spend a lot of time taking care of our lawn and our gardens, and so having a nice reel box like this really just makes it so effortless. You can keep this out and then easily take it off when the season ends, bringing it inside so that your hose is fully ready for the next year. I think that this is super durable. It looks so nice mounted to the house rather than having a messy box on the ground, and it makes watering a breeze. And that's my point of view.